Any project around your home that involves any electrical work can be very intimidating to most homeowners, but homeowners Brent and Chelsea have found something that they hope will solve a problem they've been dealing with for a long time around their house.
Our problem is this pantry is so dark. It's really hard to see at night.
It's pretty dark.
So we're hoping that finding this will help us out.
As you might imagine, the batteries are not included, but we brought some along. And once they're in, it's apparent that both the remote switch and the light work pretty well.
Oh, cool. Oh, wow. That's bright.
Nice.
Good deal.
Now to figure out exactly where to put it. Can you see all right? Need some light?
Perfect, thank you.
The installation is pretty straightforward, and when it's complete,
There we go.
There you go.
Chelsea seems to be pretty happy with the results.
Look at that. I like it.
Pretty good. So this cordless light and remote have the McKinley's approval, and at just under $13, it seems to be a pretty good value. So our rating, 4 out of 5.